Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, August 4th, and this is my analysis for gold, and I'm on the 1 hour time frame. So on gold, we made a nice impulsive move up on Friday, nice high and low. Now, to me, this definitely looks like one, two, three waves up. I think this potentially is going to turn into like a triple three, or maybe even a flat pattern. I still think there's a pretty good chance this move up is going to end up being a crutch into this move down, but I think this is going to be like three waves up, probably going to eventually make three waves down, and then it's either going to make five waves up like that for like more like a flat, or maybe it'll be a WXY, which is a triple three pattern. So I think we're going to get more than likely a pretty overlapping pattern, either a 333 or a 335 pattern, and before we get potentially another push down. Now, one thing we do have to keep in mind real quick is that the higher time frames are definitely in an uptrend, which means that there is a chance that this, instead of making an overlap pattern and just makes higher highs, higher lows, eventually goes all the way up and takes out the previous highs. So I personally would be recommending logs right now. And if it just keeps on going up and makes new highs, then that's great. That's like a bonus trade. If it makes overlapping patterns, then you'll know that it's a correction to this last move down, and you'll be watching your Fibonacci retracement levels for a possible end of a correction, maybe later on this week. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.